Arthritis is not just for the elderly. It affects people of all ages. According to Dr. Donald E. Thomas Sr., arthritis is joint inflammation or damage. With over 100 types, it's a leading cause of disability in the U.S. Meet the experts: Dr. Thomas, Sandra Vasquez, Wendy Rami, and Dr. Elena Shioku, all specialize in arthritis care and research. Inflammation is crucial for understanding arthritis. While there's no magic food to prevent it, a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods may help. Conversely, processed foods and red meats might increase arthritis risk. Consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice. What does arthritis do? Osteoarthritis, OA, leads to stiffness and joint pain, commonly occurring from wear and tear. Even young people can suffer, especially due to injuries. Gout and rheumatoid arthritis, RA, are other significant types, caused by immune responses affecting joints. Notably, no specific nutrients prevent arthritis, as Dr. Shioku explains. Still, diets with anti-inflammatory properties, like the Mediterranean diet, show promise in reducing rheumatoid arthritis risks. So, what foods may help? Extra virgin olive oil can reduce inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish like salmon are beneficial too. Yogurt supports gut health, while berries combat inflammation due to their rich phytochemicals. Ginger also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. On the other hand, avoid ultra-processed foods. They are linked to increased arthritis risks through their high fat, sugar, and salt content. Lifestyle impacts arthritis management. Prioritizing sleep and exercise decreases rheumatoid arthritis risk. Managing stress through mindfulness reduces inflammatory arthritis likelihood. Additionally, good dental health supports overall immune function. In summary, while no single nutrient protects against arthritis, anti-inflammatory foods and healthy habits may help manage symptoms. Remember to consult your healthcare provider for tailored advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more nutrition tips, and always prioritize your health. Disclaimer: always consult a healthcare provider before making any dietary changes or taking supplements.